Good morning, dear students. So, in this session, we'll discuss important 1 mark possible all questions on the topic vectors. So, in this vector, you may expect 1 mark examples or else finding the magnitude, or else you may expect finding a unit vector or unit vector along the any direction here. So such type of a question you may expect here. So few examples, so most appearing questions we'll discuss in this session. So let us begin with the first example. So question is, define a negative vector. So negative vector is defined as a vector having the same magnitude as that of a given vector A and the direction opposite to that of vector A is called the negative vector. This is a definition of a negative of a vector. So we'll move to our next example. Find the vector component with initial point. So initial point, I take it as a here. A, it is a 2i plus 1 into j. Next, terminal point, so it is taken as a B, so it is a minus 5i plus 7j. Then the distance between a AB is nothing but final value, therefore I call it as a OB minus initial value OA it is. So it is a minus 5 minus 2 into I. Next, one more we have j coordinate, we have to subtract it. So it is a 7 minus 1 into j. So minus 5 minus 2 minus 7i plus 7 minus 1 6k. So this is a vector AB here. So distance between the two vector is denoted in this way. Third example, we will discuss it. Possible 1 mark question. Define collinear vector. So definition of a collinear vector is vector having a same or parallel support is known as the collinear vector. So we'll define this: vectors having the same or parallel support are known as collinear vectors. So this is a definition of a collinear vector. Yes. So next, example number 4. Find a vector of x for which x into I plus j plus k is a unit vector is a unit vector. So then the given vector is vector A equal to, it is a x is multiplied with this xi plus yj, sorry, xj into xk. It is xi plus xj plus xk. Then magnitude we have to find. Magnitude of vector A is under the square root of I coefficient x, its square x square, j coefficient x, x square, k coefficient x, x square. So it is a unit vector. Magnitude will be 1 equal to under the square root of x square plus x square plus x square, we get it as a 3x square. Then 1 equal to root 3 is not a perfect square, as it is I write root of a x square x. From this we get a solution for a x as 1 divided by root 3. So this is the value of x, it is 1 divided by root 3. One more example will solve on the vectors here. Example number 5. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector in the direction of vector A equal to I plus j plus 2k. It is I plus j plus 2k. So unit vector we have to find it. So first we will find a magnitude of this solution. So magnitude will be under the square root of I coefficient, 1 square is 1, j coefficient is 1, 1 square is 1, k coefficient is 2, 2 square is 4 it is. So we get a magnitude as, so it is a root of 6 we are going to get it. So unit vector in the given direction is denoted by a cap equal to 1 divided by magnitude of a vector A, it is a root 6, is multiplied by the given vector, so I plus j plus 2k here. Okay, so dear students, this is a required solution. So in this session we have solved possible 5 examples. So some are you are going to get a definition, some problematic examples you are going to get it. So practice these examples. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.